Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Netflix. You will go to this sign of settings and you will enter. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you can search about the application of Netflix and you can go here. Then this page you can go to first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.